namin on TikTok. So, our last song, this song called Galaw. Nandito din po yung sumulat, a very good friend of ours as well, Mr. Glenn Mapwe. Makikita niyo din po siya sa April 30, and kung saan sa mga bars dito sa Manila, and sa mga province din po. Napakagaling po na writer and a musician. Glenn Mapwe in the house. And yes, let's do this! And of course, pakilala na rin po natin bawat isa. We got Joseph Cruz on keyboards, ladies and gentlemen. We got John drums. Yung pinakamatangkat, kung naman na natin. Alvin on bass. René Texon. And of course, the one and only Antonio Ray Bergado. My name is Patrick. So this one called Galaw. Medyo mabilis po to. We're gonna party a little bit, you know. So let's do this. Are you ready?